How you doing, everybody? This is Michael Williams, and we're at the Cleaner Show. They call it the Wet Show now, and that W stands for winter. And I'm here at the booth, and I'm here talking about the plunger that I use every day, the VersaPlunge. The VersaPlunge, in general, it's a great plunger because it's versatile. It does a lot of different things. With this plunger now, because it's accordion-like, when you fold it in like this, you can do the kitchen sink. A lot of times, if that kitchen sink is stable and you can't move that handle around, with the VersaPlunge, you can move that handle around and you can get the plunge that you need. Also, too, if you pull that lip out, okay, and you go down in the toilet, that VersaPlunge will let you get a full plunge, and when you give that force down on that handle, it'll go where it's supposed to do. It'll come back up, and you don't have to worry about that splatter. I'll tell anybody, in this industry, this is a plunger you need. You need the VersaPlunge, because if you're a pro, you gotta know about the VersaPlunge.